Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to enable your Apple Intelligence on iOS 18. So it's really simple actually. So here in the settings you are going to go to general right here and then software update. So note that your iOS 18 will 18 Apple Intelligence will be only available in certain devices such as your iPhone 15 and above if I'm not mistaken. So I am using a 13, so I am not yet getting it as of right now. So I'm a developer and I'm not getting it, but certain devices will be able to get it in their actual device, such as the 16 itself, in the beta model only. So it's gonna be looking at right here in Siri. It's gonna replace your Siri into actual Siri iOS Apple Intelligence or your just yeah the Apple Intelligence feature. So good, you will have to actually set your English into United States for this to work. So the language has to be United States, and then there's going to be a button located somewhere right here to join the waitlist, and you'll be able to actually to join your Apple Intelligence iOS 18 waitlist, and it will take a day or two so that it will process, and then you'll be able to join. So I don't really have it right here because it's not yet supported, but it might come out later this January 2025 where it will be released as a norm for iPhones already. But all you have to do is locate it right here. If you're using iOS 18 on your iPhone 15 and 16s, it will be right there. It's going to be replacing your Apple Siri right here with Apple Intelligence and Siri, and then you'll be able to activate it from here. So there you go, guys. That is how you enable it in your iOS 18. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.